All right, this is in your exponent rule book that you're going to have to get from me. So once you have this, this is the very first page, and we're just going to review the exponent rules we've already talked about. So if I have 2x to the negative 9, we talked about that negative 9 was illegal. So the 2 stays on top, and the x to the 9th goes to the bottom. If I have a squared on top and b to the negative 3 on bottom, that b to the negative 3 is the illegal one. So the a squared stays where it is, and the b to the third joins it. You can put it over 1 if you want, but you don't have to. We also talked about zero exponents. X to the 0 power is 1. 4 to the 0 power is 1. 5,000 to the 0 power is 1. All right. Find number 37 in your book, the page that starts number 37, and copy down our example right here that we just went over from the front page. Once you have that, we will answer these. So I need to make that into a fraction, number 37, because that is illegal. So it goes to the bottom, and I have to put something on top. So we put that on top. That is just a number, 9 squared, or 9 times 9. You put that in your calculator, and you get 1 over 81. That is your final answer. This one is very similar. That's illegal, so it's going to go to the top. But then 2 to the third, like I can do that math. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. And that's your final answer there. This guy, x to the negative 5 is illegal, so I'm going to move it to the bottom. And all I can say is x to the 5th, because I don't know what x is, so I can't do any more there. 40, that bottom stuff is illegal, so the Q4 stays on top, and the P squared joins it. You can put it over 1 if you want. You don't have to. This one, I've got a negative 7 and a negative 1. So I've got 2 things that are illegal. The y squared is not illegal. It gets to stay where it is. The z to the 1 needs to come to the top to make it positive, and the x to the 7 comes to the bottom to make it positive. Last one that we're going to practice. So the 4 is not illegal. The m to the negative 1 and the p to the negative 7 are the illegal ones. So on top, the 4 stays on top. The n squared stays on top. m1, p7 go to the bottom. Get those notes copied down. And I need you to turn to page 6 in your 8.1 to 8.2 practice. It's in your 8.2 packet. We did these last week. They should all be done. Today, I need for you to do these right here, 1 through 15 odd. When you're done with that, turn all this work in. Thank you.